afternoon. My name is Tom. I come to you from the great state of Maine. Welcome to my fish house today. Got the curtains closed so they don't brighten you guys out. But let's talk about fishing today, and fishing in the state of Maine. We are actually in a really good winter. After the last 2 winters, we've had 2 winters in a row here that was not very nice as far as temperatures go. Last year I didn't like the ice at all. So I didn't get out on it that much, especially on the big water. But we're fishing for a pike today, so we'll see what happens. Beautiful day other than the wind and the cold. I don't know, temperature is about 10 degrees and the wind is about 30 mile an hour gust every now and then. Pretty steady at times, but hey, that's all part of fishing. I put out some bait traps. I came and checked those first thing this morning. No luck. I did something different with them this week. I put the bait traps out on Sunday. Today is Wednesday. After I cut the hole, I filled the hole in with snow. Filled it right up with snow. Then I came, it's been cold at night, really cold. And when I came back, the hole wasn't frozen at all. So that was pretty sweet. Shovel the snow out of the way and away we go. But the funny part is the holes were filled with grass from the bottom. And there's only one way they can be filled with grass from the bottom. That's a muskrat. Gotta turn that heat off. With the sun biting in that window, it is nice and warm in here. So anyways, they were pushing up. I had a small trap, but I had just a small hole. But that small hole was full of grass from the bottom. And the bigger hole is for my jumbo trap, which is, the jumbo trap is 4 feet by 2 feet by 2 feet by 4 feet. And one side of that, they had pushed up a bunch of grass. For whatever reason, I don't know what the deal was. That's where they're going to hang it. Hang it up on the top of the ice so it can dry out, I guess. I don't know. First time I'd ever seen that, though, with my bait traps, so. But what a day, what a day, what a day. We got a snowstorm coming. We got a snowstorm coming tomorrow. And we got a snowstorm coming on Sunday from what I've gathered. So we'll see what happens. Life is good. Just kind of hanging out in the fish house. got a new subscriber, so hey, we'll say hello to him. But I just talked to him in email. Peter, hello, Peter. Yeah, he come in, I guess, newly subscribed and left me some comments and sent an email or two. So hello, Peter. He didn't actually say where he was from, but he said he's looking for some friends. So here's some friends for you. You get in here and leave some comments. There's all kinds of people in here leaving comments for you. So, yep, come be a part of the East Grand channel. We've done pretty good. We haven't caught any pike yet this year out of this shack, but we have caught 3 nice bass. So that's been pretty nice. But fishing.